Hi, I'm Jules from Fast Car, and this is our Father's Day gift guide. So first up is this, the Meguiar's Duo Twist drying towel. Comes in at £27.50, and I know what you're thinking, that's a lot for a drying towel, but it's not. Once you use it, it is amazing. It's the best drying towel I've ever used. It's 50 by 90 centimetres long. Yeah, it's great. So that's number one. Next up, we've got the 10 Tools 10-piece mixed screwdriver set. This is a lovely high-end set. So this retails at £107.28p. The screwdrivers are made from TTMV plus steel alloy, so they're really strong material, and plus in there's a 1000 volt insulated 3mm flat blade screwdriver for when Dad takes on the electrician role in the house. So yeah, there's that one. So next up we have the Strictly Static JDM mystery box. It's not going to be mystery for much longer because, as you can see, we're going to open it up and show you what's inside. You've got 2 t-shirts, a hoodie, loads of lanyards, stickers, air fresheners in there, loads of other cool little bits. It retails at £99, and yeah, if you bought all that stuff separately, it costs a lot more than that, so that's a little bit of a bargain. So next up we have the Dynamat here, with Dynamat Extreme. This is the bulk pack, so it comes with 9 sheets and has 36 square foot of coverage, so which is quite a lot. This stuff's brilliant if you're into your audio, or if you've got a retro car and you want to keep the noise out of the car for sound deadening. It's, yeah, brilliant stuff. And that retails at 220 quid, so your dad's going to love that if he's into his audio or got a retro car. And here we have the Works Tools 12 volt cordless jump starter. This is a great little bit of kit actually. I love this. So it's not just a jump starter. Whoa. It's also doubles as a inspection lamp, which can then also become a flashing safety one. Handy little hanging clip. So this is a great little thing for your glove box, and that retails at £119.99. So yeah, brilliant. Charge it up in the car as well. So brilliant stuff. And last but not least, what about a subscription to Pure Performance? Loads of great subjects covered in that. It's a quarterly bookazine, and also a set of tracks tickets, which is held at Silverstone on the 11th of September. That's a good one. They retail at £32.57, and your subscription to Pure Performance is £31.96, or you can buy individual copies at £8.99. So yeah, that's another little good idea for your old man. So that was our top 6 Father's Day gifts. What one's for you? Leave a comment.